Hi, my name is Kenna, and today I'll be giving you an overview of how to access and navigate Appfolio's owner portal. First, let's talk about how to access your owner portal. Your property management company will send you either an owner portal announcement email or an email stating that an item is ready for you to view in your portal. To start, click on the link included in that email. This will take you to the owner portal sign up page. On this page, you will be prompted to enter in your email address and password if you have an already existing owner portal. If you do not have an already existing owner portal, you will be prompted to create and confirm your new password. Once you have done so, you can log in. Now that I'm in the portal, let's talk about the different tabs and what information or actions can be found on each. There are four main tabs in the owner portal that allow owners and managers to act in different ways. The first tab is Statements. This is where you will find any packets or reports and other attachments that have been sent to you by your property management company. Owner packets are a collection of reports on your properties and any supporting attachments such as scanned receipts or paid work orders. These packets can be downloaded and printed at any time for your convenience. The second tab is Contributions. This is where you can make an online contribution of funds to your property using an e-check or a credit card, so long as your property management company is enabled for online payments. If your property management company is not enabled for online payments, this tab will not show in your owner portal. The third tab is Inspection Reports. This is where you can view any online inspections of your properties or units that your property management company has shared with you. If no inspections have been shared with you, this tab will not appear in your owner portal. The final tab is Documents. This is where you can view and download any documents that your property management company has shared with you. If no documents have been shared with you, this tab will not appear in your owner portal. Now that we have reviewed the tabs in the owner portal, we will finish by reviewing your settings. In the settings page, you can change your password. You can enable two-factor authentication, which further secures your account by adding an additional step to your regular owner portal login process on any device. Instead of only entering your email and password, you will be required to enter a verification code received via SMS text message to the mobile phone number of your choice. You can consent to receive 1099s electronically so that they can be shared with you in your owner portal. Lastly, if your management company uses Appfolio's e-check payables feature, you can enter your bank account information to receive electronic e-check payments for your monthly owner distributions. This concludes our overview of how to access and navigate Appfolio's owner portal. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.